Well, a fairly sunny and hot day today in the valley. About the same tomorrow. You might see these little puffy clouds around, but I think we'll stay just kind of dry, sunny, and hot with temperatures back up in the upper 90s and near 100. Of course, the rain we showed you around Harvey is leaving Texas. That's good news, replaced by some drier weather, but there's all kinds of potential tropical stuff that could still fire up here over the next week to 10 days that we'll be checking out throughout the hour. So I'll show you a little bit of it now, but rain chances for us may start to increase just gradually a little bit this weekend, and I think even more so maybe by Monday for Labor Day and Tuesday. Our rain chances could start to go higher, but again, that's something that depends upon tropical moisture movement around here. But tomorrow looks a lot like today. We should be around 100 or slightly higher in Starr County, kind of just mostly sunny. Humidity, though, will be on the rise throughout tonight and tomorrow, so it won't be feeling quite as comfortable as it did today. I mean, it was 100 degrees, but at least it wasn't super humid. And tomorrow, maybe a little more on the humid side, but still near 100 in most of Hidalgo County and mainly in the upper 90s in the lower valley with highs in the upper 80s right at the coast. The winds tomorrow kind of from the southeast, 10, 15, 17 miles per hour. This is rainfall over the last 24 hours, and the heavy rain has missed Houston, kind of exited yesterday early evening. Still a lot of heavy rain, though. Some of these totals are over 15 inches. You see in the southeast corner of Texas, kind of near Beaumont and Port Arthur, and even rainfall totals over 7 inches near the Texas-Louisiana border to the north. So Harvey still making some heavy rain, but it is spinning off to the northeast. You see almost all the rain is out of Texas. Right there's the border of Texas, and just a little bit of heavy rain right along the border. Elsewhere in Texas, things are quiet and should be for the next couple of days, including here in the valley. Future track overnight shows just clear skies. Tomorrow looks like a mostly sunny day, and temperatures again in the upper 90s and near 100. Future track, as you saw there, tries to show maybe one little sprinkle or shower with the sea breeze, but I think it's probably not going to happen. So Harvey's spinning away. It's actually no longer a tropical storm, but there it goes on the map off to the northeast. Still spinning some heavy rain up, though, way to the north of us over the next several days. Hot weather returns here tomorrow. Now, as we get into later this week and this weekend, we kind of have to watch to the south. There will be some tropical moisture kind of spread out here. It may take its time moving, but I think eventually it will start to get here and bring back the chances for rain, bring them up a little higher, especially by about Monday and Tuesday. There's also a tropical storm we'll show you in the Pacific Ocean that will be near Cabo, but something to watch with this tropical moisture in the southern Gulf. Some of the models try to spin something up again, but not until about early next week. So it's something to watch, of course, because it's right there. But again, nothing's out there now, but with all this moisture around, something may try to spin up. And we'll show you that with the European model again next half hour. I want to show you the tropics, though. Tropical storm Lydia has formed south of Cabo, and the forecast track on it, winds are at 40 miles per hour, but could go right over about Cabo as a tropical storm with near 50 mile per hour winds by Friday morning. So if you have any friends over there, probably not a hurricane, but a tropical storm could roll right over them on Friday. At the coast here, things pretty quiet. If you are going to the beach tomorrow, light winds from the east and southeast throughout much of the day. Temperatures in the upper 80s during the afternoon in most areas, and things quiet otherwise. No advisories at the coast. A high tide early in the morning, a low tide later in the afternoon. So the first 7-day forecast. High temperatures back up there near 100 tomorrow, upper 90s Friday and Saturday. The weekend should start off dry, but a couple of small showers may pop up. We'll have to watch next half hour. We'll talk about Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for bigger rain chances in your first 4 and 5 forecast. And now let's see what's happening with sports. Joel?